Wow, it's Pinki and Oren's big day.
Oh.
Yes, very touching. Where's the cake? Oh no! Mr. Black's tampering with it! I'd still take a slice. Come on, cake is cake. Oh no! They're zombies! The living dead! These theme weddings are getting out of hand. Careful, don't swat them. They might bite. Don't worry, maybe science will save them. But we'll have to play a few games first. Let's start with a round of Spot the Zombie. It's just Wenda and her unmentionables.
Ew.
What's with all the masks? And spare Sprunki parts? Time for a quick zombie check. Oh, it's just Sky. And he's just stocked up on Sprunki costumes.
Yay!
Guess Pinki's a mummy for Halloween. Hold on. Let's check your luggage. Zombie food! It's not Pinki. It's Zombie Derple. Zerple? You don't deserve to wear this bow. You're under arrest, and we've just earned our first potion. Next up, it's a shadow puzzle. Match everyone to their shapes. Might as well give it the old college try. That's not quite right. Think ears. Find the shape with big rabbit ears. She and Oren are always close by. Next, think spikes. Spikes. Yeah, now you're getting it. Ah, red and green. Just like Christmas. Now hurry, it's Zombie Aqua! Run! Well, no use crying over a spilled vase. Except you woke up Zombie Sky! Oh, this is bad. He's supposed to be hibernating. Don't panic! All we need to do is block the exit. Ah, yes, the pillow. The zombie's natural enemy. Keep crawling, Pinki. Just keep crawling.
Phew.
And look, you've earned the next potion. Next up, it's a transformation chamber. And our soda can is the perfect test subject. Looks like we're getting a visit from Coca. So Peppy can't be too far behind. You know what this means. Let the soda wars begin. Nah, just kidding. You guys need to sort things out. 'Cause you two are gonna be lab partners. Relax with a nice cola bath. With extra fizz, too. Aw, these two have never been closer. If only you two actually got along. Breaking up is hard to do, but we're professionals. So you two will be splitting up in your sleep. What else does the sand have for us? This'll keep things clean. And next, something to cut the cake. And by cake, I mean soda, which we can cut. You take a break, and we'll take this. Baby Sprunkies. They make their dreams come true, but it looks like they're in a nightmare. This rescue is brought to you by the letter A. Huh, that was close. Quick, to the seesaw! Alphabet power! B to the rescue! Almost done. We gotta protect the slide.
C is for cookie.
And also crush! Hurry, Sprunkies! Your moms are here to pick you up! We just need to help match them up. Something tells me they don't go together. Ah, that's more like it. And by process of elimination, Baby Ratty goes with Mama Ratty.
Yay!
And it's a mini reunion for the Pinki pair. Does she have a strawberry milk mustache? Hey, Vineria, you've got a plant delivery. But you're not the only one with a green thumb. Granted, zombie or not, Sprunkies don't quite have thumbs. Either way, let's water your new flower.
Ew.
Now, what did we say about overwatering? Okay, we're gonna need some weed killer. Uh-oh, are we out? Wait, we just need to clear things up. So that's what happened. We've got to hook up the pipes. Yeah, I'd avoid the bombs. That's usually good advice. Now it's time for some plant be gone. Just make sure not to get any on Vineria. Oh, now we're gonna have to mow the lawn, as it were. Vineria's so happy. She's got something for you. Aw, the Laboobos are having a picnic with special guests, zombies, and bees. Uh-oh, these guys have been working out. Oh no, not a puddle! Oh, this just isn't the Laboobos' day. Is there anything in the trash that can help? On second thought, let's put the lid back on. But that straw could come in handy. And you're safe. Now let's check on your friend. Quick, use the elevator. It stops here, but luckily, we can teleport. You know, we probably should have done that first. Ah, thanks for the dynamite idea, BTS. Almost in the clear. We just need to reach the roof. You're safe. But how do we get you down? Aha, a rope. Slide on down and join your friend. Note to self. Avoid haunted houses during a zombie outbreak. Can we hide in here? No, it's occupied. You know, we really should knock first. Let's just hope that door number 3 is the winner. Well, it seems safer than what's out here. But can we turn on the light? Ooh, spider webs! I wanted to visit the Spider-Verse, but not like this. Looks like a little matching game will resolve this. It seems like you have unlimited tries. But I think our friends would like you to speed things up. Talk about spider sense. You're doing great. Who knew cleaning cobwebs were so easy? We should get a job cleaning houses. The Laboobos are competing for cash prizes. Let's start things off with a fun maze. Put those choppers to use and clear those rocks. Just remember to save one rock. It'll pay off in the end. Talk about making it rain! Now it's your turn. It's another maze, but this one is archery themed. You're a regular Cupid. Ooh, ice cream! Our third and final maze involves boomerangs. Makes sense. We are down under after all. Slime! You can't do that on television! So it's a good thing we're digital. But we should still clean you up. We'll make a bath. And the most important part, a rubber ducky. Oh, and water. That helps too. Don't forget to come up for air. Or do monster elves secretly have gills? Time to dry off. And look, more duckies! With all these colors combined, we might just save the day. Quick, let's harness the power of the rainbow. And keep an eye out for those zombies. We found one. Pinky's always got her head in the clouds. Something tells me to look behind that rock. Okay, it's time for you guys to get your shots. You guys are looking better already. And look, you're even regrowing your skin. Don't worry, guys. There's plenty to go around. Just a little bit goes a long way. Of course, love always wins in the end.